Hey everyone, my name is Jessica Mann and I am a first grade teacher in the Gulfport School District. And today we're going to talk about making a 10 to subtract. Well, why do we make a 10 to subtract? We learn this math strategy so that way it is easier for us to add and subtract within 20. Today we're going to learn 2 ways we can make a 10 to subtract. The first strategy is the tens frame method. We have a word problem and it says, Claire had 14 cupcakes. She gave 6 away. How many cupcakes does she have left? So first, I'm going to underline the numbers we are working with in our word problem. 14 and 6. Great. And now I'm going to write that in our subtraction sentence. 14 minus 6, to remind me what problem we are trying to solve. Now let's make a 10 to subtract. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to place 14 counters in my 10 frames. So I'm first going to show our group of 10 in the number 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now I'm going to continue on with my green counters. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have now broken our number 14 into our 10 frames by its place and value. A group of 10 and 4 ones. Great. Now I'm going to slowly take away counters or cupcakes until I get to 10. So I'm going to start with my second 10 frame first. Keep taking away until we get to 10. Stop! We have made a 10. How many counters did we take away from our 14 to get to 10? That's right, 4. I took away 4 of our green counters, and we have made a 10. But are we subtracting the number 4? No, we're subtracting the number 6. So I have to keep taking counters out of our 10 frame or keep taking cupcakes away until I get to 6. So I've already taken away 4, so I'm going to count on until I get to 6. So we've already taken away 4. 5, 6. Good job. How many counters did I take away? That's right, 2. So our new number sentence is 10 minus 2. What is 10 minus 2? That's right, 8. So that means 14 minus 6 equals 8. Great. How do I check my work to make sure I'm correct? You go back and you count the remaining counters that are in your 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have the number 8, so that means our answer is correct. Great job. Let's do another one to practice. This word problem says, there were 16 fish swimming in a group. 7 fish swam away. How many fish are left? So I'm going to first underline the numbers we are working with. We are working with the numbers 16 and 7. So I'm going to write that in a subtraction problem to remind me what problem we are working with. 16 minus 7. Great job. So now I'm going to break our number 16 into our 10 frames. Remember, 16 is a teen number, so every teen number has one group of 10, and in this case, we have 6 ones. So I'm first going to make our group of 10 using our red counters. So I'm going to completely fill this 10 frame. We've made our 10. Now we're going to use our green counters to represent our 6 ones. Great job. Now I'm slowly going to take away green counters until I get to 10, or slowly take fish away until I get to 10. So I'm going to take away from my green counters first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have now made a group of 10. How many counters did I take away to get to 10? That's right, 6. So I need to write that in my new number sentence. 16 minus 6 equals 10. Now that I've made my group of 10, I need to continue subtracting, right? Because we're not subtracting 6. We're subtracting 7. So I'm going to continue to slowly take away counters until I get to 7. We've already taken away 6, so I'm going to count on until I get to 7. 7. How many red counters did I take away to get to 7? That's right, 1. So we're going to write that in our new number sentence. 10 minus 1. What is 10 minus 1? That's right, 9. So that means 16 minus 7 equals 9. Well, how do I check my work? Remember, we go back and we count the leftover counters in our 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we counted to 9, so that means our answer is correct. Great job, and this is the 10 frame method to make a 10 to subtract. Let's move on to our next one. Now, we will be using a number line to make a 10 to subtract. Our word problem says, Peter baked 15 cookies. He ate 7 cookies. How many cookies does he have left? Remember, we must first underline the numbers we are working with, which is 15 and 7. So now I need to write the subtraction problem we are working with. 15 minus 7. And this reminds me what subtraction problem we are trying to solve. Now, we are going to use our number line to make a 10. I'm going to start on the number 15 because that is the first number in my subtraction problem. Now I'm going to hop backwards on our number line until I get to 10. And then I am going to stop. So let's start at 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. We have made it to the number 10. How many times did I hop on our number line until I got to 10? That's right, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hops. And we subtract 5 because we hopped backwards. So that's what I need to write in my new number sentence. 15 minus our 5 hops equals 10. But are we subtracting 5? No, we're subtracting 7. So we need to continue hopping on our number line until we have hopped 7 times. We are now going to start at 10 because that's where we stopped. And we're going to count on from 5 until we've hopped a total of 7 times. So 5 hops, 6 hops, 7 hops. Great job. How many more times did I hop on our number line to continue until I've subtracted 7? That's right, 2. So that's what I need to write in my new number sentence. 10 minus 2. What number did we end on our number line? That's right, 8. So that means 10 minus 2 equals 8. And that means 15 minus 7 equals 8. Great job. How do I go back and check my work? Well, whatever number we have stopped on, and as long as we have the correct number of hops on our number line, we are correct. We've ended on the number 8, and we have a total of 7 hops. So we have subtracted 7, and we did land on 8. Great job. Let's do another one to practice. This This word problem says, there were 12 elephants playing in the water. 3 elephants ran away. How many elephants were left playing in the water? Remember, we must first underline the numbers we are working with. We are working with the numbers 12 and 3. So that's the subtraction sentence we need to write to remind us what numbers we're working with. 12 minus 3. Great job. So now I need to start on the number 12 on our number line because that's the first number we are subtracting. Now I'm going to hop on our number line until I get to 10, and then I am going to stop. So start at 12, and we're going to hop backwards to 10. 1, 2, stop. I have made it to the number 10. How many times did I hop until I got to 10? That's right, 2. So that's what I need to write on my new number sentence. 10 minus 2 because we hopped backwards and we made a 10. But am I subtracting the number 2? No, we're subtracting the number 3. So I need to continue hopping until I have hopped a total of 3 times. So I'm going to start on the number 10 and I'm going to hop and count on from 2. 2, 3. Stop. We have made it to our answer. How many times did we hop? We hopped one more time. That's right. So we have our new numbers and it's 10 minus 1. What is 10 minus 1? That's right, 9. So that means 12 minus 3 equals 9. Let's go back and check our work. We did end on the number 9. And did we hop a total of 3 times? Because that's the number we're subtracting. 1, 2, 3. We did. So that means our number is correct. We made it to the correct answer. Great job. And that is the end of our video today. I hope this video helped you understand how to make a 10 to subtract so that way we can fluently subtract within 20. Thank you.